Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I want to give you an idea for walls or any projects in which you would need a wall. I went to the Dollar Tree and I got this fabulous tablecloth. Look at the generous amount, and it's very thin, and it's not easy to rip. It doesn't rip that easily. So what I did was, for the walls of the room that I'm working on a man cave. So I wanted walls this color, black, white, gray, and everything. So I ended up cutting a cardboard piece the size of the walls that I need. And then I cut a bigger piece from the tablecloth and placed it on the other side. And then what I did was I put double-sided tape all along here like that, and then I folded every end. Then I reinforced it with regular tape, and then this is what I got. Look at the clean, nice, neat wall that I got. This is how it looks when I taped it. Okay, so this is one of my walls. So there's a lot that you can do. So I see drapes. I can make drapes out of this. I can cover my miniature chairs and sofas. There's so much you can do. You can do curtains. You know, it depends how you cut it up. So yes, even though you're not into the miniature world, this is useful for a lot of other projects. So go get your tablecloth, and the creativity is just gonna come just like that. Alright, stay tuned to my next project, which is the man cave in miniature. Thanks for watching.